Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the problem with your iPhone 6s and the power button shut off or turn on the phone randomly. So you can see here, while you using the phone, you may notice the phone turn off by itself without you actually pressing the button, and sometimes it will turn on by itself, and sometimes when you press on the home button it takes a screenshot. So that is because when you are pressing the power button together at the same time with the home button like this, it will take a screenshot. So what happened is the power button somehow got stuck by itself, and when you press on the home button it will take a screenshot. And the issues is it has something to do with the hardware. So it is not the software on your phone that you can simply just update and fix the problem. It is the actual hardware problems. It is the cables, the flex cables that's causing the issues. So if you want to fix the problems, you're going to need to fix the flex cable. So I'm going to show you. I have already opened up the screen just to quickly show you. Now upon lifting up the screens, there is a flex cables. So the flex cables sit underneath the board right here. So this is the power button over here, and there are cables going up here and then down along here under the board to here. So this is where it is. So I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see. Now there is a cover that's covering the flex cable right here. I have take out the screws already, and there are two screws holding down this cover, so I have taken it off. What you need to do is to determine if the flex cable is the problem. Just simply remove this connector. So this is the power button connector. Simply just remove it, just leave it like that, and let the screen come down, and then try to use the phone. So you can still use the home button to turn on the screen. So use the home button to turn on the screen. You can go into settings and then general accessibility, and then tap on assistive touch. So tap on assistive touch and turn on assistive touch, and there is on screen assistive touch here. You can tap on it and then tap on device, and then you can lock the screen by simply tapping on that lock screen button. So that button is also act as a power button. So all I have done is I have disconnected the power flex cable, and doing that you can test to see if your phone is still randomly shutting down or turning on and off randomly. I'm pretty sure in most of the cases it's this power flex cable causing you the problem. So by simply disconnecting the flex cable, the power button flex cable, you should see your phone become steady and the screen will not turn on and off randomly. And if that is the case, you're going to need to replace the cable. So replacing the cable can be tricky. You're going to need to take out the board and take out the battery to get access to the cable, the flex cable underneath the board and the batteries. So it's going to be a big job. It's not going to be something that you can get it done in 5 minutes. And I will discuss how you can do that in a separate videos of how to replace the power flex cable. But that is basically that is the issues what's causing the phone the problems. And if that happens to your phone, in most likelihood it's the cable. And if the cable is fairly cheap, you can buy them fairly cheap online, and by replacing the cable you should be back to the phone should be back in working order again. If you want, you can bring it to a repair shop and they can replace the cable for you. It doesn't cost much because the cable is quite cheap, so just labor costs that you will be mostly paying. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you understand why your phone screen randomly turn on and off, and hopefully you know what to do or where to go and get it fixed. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Bye bye.